Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gene. I hope you will be fine this time to talk about top 10 highest opening days for Bollywood in India. Ranveer Singh Sundar 2, The Revenge, The Throne, Shah Rukh Khan's Jawan. The Thursday opening day standalone is a record beating rupees 64.50 crore net of Jawan, including previews, just takes it to an altogether different stratosphere. Written by Jitinder Singh, writer, and Mohit Dixit, writer. Published on 20 March 2026. Dhurandhar The Revenge collected rupees 73 crore net approx on its Thursday opening day in India. That is exclusive of paid previews on Wednesday evening, which brought in another rupees 39 crore net approx. Combinedly, the two add up to rupees 112 crore net approx. The Thursday opening day standalone is a record-beating rupees 64.50 crore net of Jawan, including previews, just takes it to an altogether different stratosphere. The official reporting will push for the opening day inclusive of previews, which is something that is done in South India conventionally. The Hindi film industry has reported them separately, but everyone likes the bigger number. Not doing so also puts it on disadvantage when the comparison for opening day across industries is made, as South films, mostly Telugu films, will be lauded with these previews, or as in past was benefit shows. All that considered, it is likely that the Hindi film industry will also start doing so. Previously, Hindi films stopped having previews because, for one, they were seen as taking away from opening numbers. But if they are going to be rolled in opening day, it just makes sense to have them, especially for holiday EV releases. Now, is that a fair way of reporting? Probably not, though. One can make an argument for both sides. Having previews does take away from opening day. If not for previews, Dhurandhar would probably have netted around rupees 90 crore net, maybe even rupees 100 crore net. Having said that, it would not have done rupees 112 crore net. The film had a huge 11,000 shows played on Wednesday and close to 21,000 yesterday, which puts the total shows at around 32,000. A normal day would not have 33,000 shows. It is basically 1.5 days compared to a single day of others. We will likely have time to think about this is feature as more films may OPT for previews, which may make the comparison more fair. For now, make your own call. The top 10 all-time Hindi opening days for Bollywood are as follows. Stay tuned to Pengvilla for more updates. Disclaimer: the box office figures are compiled from various sources and our research. The figure can be approximate, and Pengvilla does not make any claims about the authenticity of the data. However, they are adequately indicative of the box office performance of the film in question. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice